Hi guys, today I am going to show you two powerful file explorer tricks that can save your time and make your Windows experience much smoother. Most of the people use file explorer every day, but they few know these hidden productivity hacks. Here are the two hidden tricks of file explorer. How to change default file explorer opening location or your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. You can easily change. Such type open file explorer and you can see home page it opening. Now we will see how to change this opening location, default location. Click on three horizontal dot and choose options. A folder option window will now open. Here from the top menu bar, go to General tab, and here you will find Open File Explorer 2. Two options available, Home or this PC. In some PCs, OneDrive will also show. In my case, OneDrive is not set, so only two options visible, this PC and Home. And click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Now open the File Explorer, press Bin plus E shortcut to open File Explorer, and you can see this PC opening location successfully changed default file location. Hi guys, in this video we will see how to add or remove files or folders to quick action folder. You can easily add or remove files and folders from quick access panel. Open File Explorer by pressing Bin plus E shortcut key, and here you can see some features. This is the quick access panel and many files and folders are already available here. Now we will see how to add another files and folders. Go to the particular files and folders, right click on it and choose pin to quick access, and you can see your selected folders is now successfully pinned to quick access panel. Simply right click on it and choose pin to quick access, and all your files and folders will successfully queued in pinned in quick access panel of File Explorer, and you can easily access all your files and folders just opening File Explorer, and all will available on quick access panel from the left side of File Explorer page. That's all.